Hello children, today we are going to learn about lesson number 13, degrees of comparison. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define and identify all the 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive, comparative and superlative degree. And you will be able to form comparative and superlative degrees from positive degree. Children, in our previous lesson, we have studied about adjectives and 2 kinds of adjectives, that is adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Yes, and children, an adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. So, it is called the degrees of comparison of an adjective. Children, there are 3 degrees of comparison. They are the positive degree, the comparative degree and the superlative degree. So, let us first see what is a positive degree. Children, the positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. I repeat, the positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. For example, this is a big Christmas tree. In the given example, we are describing Christmas tree as big. Here, no comparison is being made. Hence, it is a positive degree or the simplest form of an adjective. Okay. Now, have a look at comparative degree. Children, the comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare 2 objects, people or places. For example, this Christmas tree is bigger than that. In the given sentence, we are making a comparison between 2 trees. Hence, we use the comparative degree, that is bigger. Now, let us see what is a superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than 2 objects, people or places. For example, this Christmas tree is the biggest among all the 3. In the given sentence, the word biggest refers to the superlative degree, as here there is comparison between more than 2 trees. Children, have a look at the following sentences. Raj is a tall boy. Second sentence, Rahul is taller than Raj. Third one, Veer is the tallest boy. Children, in the first sentence, Raj is described as a tall boy. Hence, here no comparison is being made. So, it is a positive degree. In the second sentence, we are making a comparison between 2 boys, Raj with Rahul. Hence, we use the comparative degree, that is taller. And in the third sentence, shows the highest degree of comparison, which is the superlative degree. Children, with this, all the 3 degrees of comparison must be clear to you all. Yes, isn't it? Now, let us see the formation of comparative and superlative degrees. Children, adjectives usually form their comparative and superlative degrees by the following ways. By adding er and est to the positive degree. For example, positive is bright, so comparative it will become brighter and superlative brightest. Young, positive, comparative younger, superlative youngest. Positive bold, comparative bolder and superlative boldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. And positive cold, comparative colder and superlative coldest. Children, by adding r and st to the positive degree ending in e. For example, brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Children, when the positive ends in consonant y, we drop the y and add IER and IEST. For example, if positive is costly, so comparative it will become costlier and superlative it will become costliest. Here, as you can see, children, we have removed y from positive degree and we added IER for comparative and IEST for superlative. So, same way, if there is y at the end, so we have to remove that and we can form comparative and superlative just by adding IER. So, see, easy it becomes easier, easiest. Happy it will become happier, happiest. And heavy becomes heavier, heaviest. Children, sometimes we form comparative and superlative degree by doubling the last letter and then adding ER and EST. For example, big. So comparative it will become bigger. See children, positive at the end big ka G is there, yes. So we have to double the G and then we have to add ER. Same way for superlative also we will double the last letter, that is G. So it becomes biggest. So BIGGEST, biggest. Second example, dim, dimmer, dimmest. Third is hot, hotter, hottest. And last, thin, thinner, thinnest. Children, some adjectives do not follow any of the rules explained earlier. They are compared irregularly. Here are the examples of the different forms of such adjectives. Positive form is bad, evil, ill. So comparative for all the three words will be worse and superlative for all the three positive words will be worst. Okay children. Second positive word, children, look over here, that is good and well. So for both good and well the comparative degree is better and the superlative degree is best. For positive far, comparative is farther and superlative is farthest. For positive late, comparative is later and superlative is latest. For positive word little, comparative is less and superlative word is least. And much and many, for both this word comparative is more and superlative is most. Okay. Children, there are certain adjectives which are long words. Hence, we add more or most in front of them to depict their comparative or superlative degree. For example, here the chart is given. You can go through this table. positive, comparative and superlative is given. For positive, if the word is beautiful, so comparative we are going to add more beautiful, we are going to add more in front of the word, and for superlative we will add most to the word. So positive beautiful, comparative more beautiful, and superlative will be most beautiful. Same way, useful positive, so comparative is more useful and superlative is most useful. Comfortable, so comparative more comfortable and superlative most comfortable. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Enjoyable, more enjoyable, most enjoyable. Then positive is helpful, so comparative more helpful, superlative most helpful. Then important, so comparative more important and superlative most important. Positive intelligent, so comparative more intelligent and superlative most intelligent. Children, with this I hope you all must have understood to form comparative and superlative degrees. Yes. Now, let us start with the exercise in the textbook on page number 57. 57. Exercise number 1. Complete the following table. Here, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, 3 columns are given. We have to complete the table. Now, first see, here nothing is given. Here comparative degree is given. It is worse. So, positive of worse is, yes, we can write bad, we can write evil, or we can write ill. So we will write bad over here, then comparative is worst and superlative will be worst. Second word is big, so comparative is bigger. We have to double the last letter of the positive degree and then superlative will be biggest. Now positive is not given, comparative is not given, directly superlative is given, it is thinnest. So positive is thin and comparative is thinner. Next word is important. So comparative is more important and superlative is most important. Okay. Now next word, positive is not given, comparative is given, that is happier, and superlative is not given. So happier ka positive is happy, comparative happier and superlative is happiest. Okay. See the next word. Positive is not given, comparative is not given, superlative is given. Superlative is softest. So we have to write the positive of softest, it is soft. Comparative is softer and superlative softest. Last word, beautiful. So comparative is more beautiful and superlative is most beautiful. Okay children, see with this we completed our exercise number 1. Now let us see what is there in exercise number 2, which is there on page number 58. Exercise number 2. Choose the correct option. Now children, over here options are given. With the sentence we have to choose the correct option and we are going to circle it. Okay. First one, cherries are sweeter and sweet, 2 words are given, then strawberries. Now children, as you can see over here, 2 fruits are given. Comparison between cherries and strawberries are there. Okay. So here we are going to use comparative degree because between 2 things comparisons are there. So it will be sweeter. The answer will be sweeter. Okay. Now second sentence you see, December is the dash month of the year. Now here December is compared with rest all the other months of the year. So here again it will be a superlative degree. Why? Because not 2 months are compared, but 1 month is compared with rest all the other months. So it is a superlative degree. So coldest. Answer is coldest. December is the coldest month of the year. Next word sentence, she is the dash student in our class. Now here she is compared with rest all the other students of the class. Now again here comparison is between she and so many other students of the class. So it's a superlative degree. So brightest is the correct word. So she is the brightest student in our class. Getting? Okay. Chalo, let us see the next sentence then. That is a dash sandwich. Now here no comparison is there. Yes, only about one sandwich it is given. So that is a big sandwich. Next sentence. This is the dash lake I have seen. Now here comparison between one lake is given with so many other lakes. Lakes are not mentioned, but it is said that this is the dash lake I have seen. Means so many lakes I must have seen, but this is the dash lake. So it will be deepest. This is the deepest lake I have seen. Next sentence. Devi is dash then Ashmi. Now here comparison is given between two girls. So we are going to use comparative degree. So Devi is more intelligent than Ashmi. Now next sentence. Milkha Singh was the dash recorded Indian sprinter. Okay. So now here Milkha Singh is compared with rest all the people who are the sportsmen. Yes. So again here we are going to use superlative degree, that is fastest. Milkha Singh was the fastest recorded Indian sprinter. Now last sentence of this exercise. Give her a dash milk to drink. Now here give her a dash milk to drink. Normal sentence. Yes. So little milk to drink. No comparison is there. So here we are going to circle on little. So with this we have completed our exercise number 2 also. Now let us see what is there in exercise number 3. Exercise 3, filling the correct form of the words in the bracket. We have to filling the blanks the correct form, that is maybe it will be a comparative or a superlative degree. Okay. So let us see the first sentence of it. First one is, your house is dash than mine. Now here in the bracket big is given. Here comparison is done among two houses, that is yours and mine. Yes. So my house is compared with yours. So here it will be a comparative degree. So answer will be bigger. Comparative of big is bigger. Okay. See the second sentence. This dress is dash than that one. Now again here comparison is done between two dresses. Among the two dresses, one is beautiful. So two comparisons are done. So it is a comparative degree. So it is more. Here space is not there. So I will be writing here. You can also write like this only. Beautiful. This dress is more beautiful than that one. Okay. See the next sentence. This is the dash movie I have ever watched. Now here one movie is compared with so many other movies. So it's a superlative degree. So this is the most interesting movie I have ever watched. Okay. See the next sentence. which is the dash animal in the world. Now here so many animals are there. Yes, so we have to compare so many animals of the world. So here which degree you are going to use? That is superlative degree. So which is the most dangerous animals in the world? Next sentence. A holiday by the sea is dash than a holiday in the mountain. Now here two places are compared, that is sea and mountain. So here we are going to use comparative degree. So comparative degree of good is better. So a holiday by the sea is better than a holiday in the mountain. Next sentence. Who is dash Bill Gates or Ambani? Now bracket rich is given. Now here comparison is done between two persons. So it is a comparative degree. We are going to write words of comparative degree, that is richer. Rich ka comparative is richer. Next sentence. The weather this summer is even dash than the last summer. Now again here comparison between the two summers are given. Yes, this year's and last year's. So comparative degree we are going to use. So comparative degree of bad is worse. So we are going to write worse. The weather this summer is even worse than last year. Now last sentence of this exercise. He was the dash thief of all. So now here he is compared with rest of all the other thieves. So it is a superlative degree. So we are going to write cleverest. He was the cleverest thief of all. Okay children, with this we completed our exercise number 3. So all the 3 exercises of this lessons are completed. Thank you.